晴平月，六盘山，毛泽东。天高云淡，王端南肺炎。不到长城非好汉，屈指行驶2万。六盘山上高峰，红卷漫卷气风。今日成卷在手，何时复主苍龙？ Hello, my name is Oona. I am 8 years old. Today I will be sharing with you some history on one of the most iconic structures of the world. And there is no prizes for guessing which iconic structure I will be highlighting today. Yes, you got it right. The Great Wall of China. 万里长城. The Great Wall of China is a very old wall made out of stone. It is the longest structure that people have built. The wall is 15 to 30 feet wide and up to 25 feet high. At one point, the wall may have measured 5,000 miles long, but it is so old that many parts of the wall have broke and disappeared. The Great Wall was built more than 2,000 years ago to protect the northern China from enemy attacks. Watchtowers were built along the wall, often on hilltops or other places with a long, clear view. These watchtowers could be used to signal danger from a long way away. During the night, guards could light fires or lanterns that would shine brightly in the dark. During the day, they could make smoke signals. Today, the Great Wall is no longer to keep out enemies. People come from all over the world to see it. It is indeed one of the greatest wonders of the world. Then what are you waiting for? Come with me and see the Great Wall of China. Thank you.